Under the cloak of night, as the world quiets down, our brains are just getting started on an essential task. This is the unseen night shift of our brains, a time when they're most active, even as our bodies fall into a state of rest. It's a paradox, isn't it? When we think of sleep, we often associate it with peace, tranquility, and a well-deserved break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. But while our bodies recharge, our brains kick into high gear. They're not just replaying the day's events or dreaming up fantastical scenarios, they're performing an essential function, a deep clean of sorts. Just as we would clean our homes to remove dust and debris, our brains engage in a similar process, washing away waste that accumulates throughout the day. This activity is not random, it's a coordinated effort for a crucial task. Lifeng Jiangxi, a postdoctoral researcher, likens neurons to miniature pumps. These tiny powerhouses work tirelessly as we sleep, laboring in unison to generate the rhythmic waves that signal the start of the brain's night shift. This isn't some random act, but a coordinated effort to initiate the brain's self-cleaning mode. Imagine, if you will, a bustling city at night, its streets being cleaned by a dedicated crew. That's essentially what's happening in our brains as we sleep. The synchronized activity of our neurons powers the flow of cerebrospinal fluid, a clear, colorless body fluid that bathes our brain and spinal cord. This fluid sweeps through the intricate pathways of our brain, washing away the metabolic waste accumulated from a day's worth of thinking, learning, and experiencing. This isn't just about cleanliness, it's about protecting the brain from diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by removing harmful waste. The significance of this tiny cleaning crew can't be overstated. It's a testament to the brain's remarkable ability to self-maintain and safeguard our cognitive health. Our brain cells are hard at work during the day, consuming nutrients and generating waste. Just as a city needs to clear out its garbage to prevent disease and maintain health, so too does our brain need a process to remove the waste generated by its ceaseless activity. Jonathan Kipnis, a leading researcher, underscores the critical importance of this waste removal process. Without it, metabolic waste would accumulate, potentially leading to neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. But how does this waste removal occur? This is where sleep comes in. You see, when we sleep, our brain shifts into a self-cleaning mode. It's an intricate process involving a symphony of neurons and a river of cerebrospinal fluid. Together, they navigate through the dense labyrinth of brain tissue, collecting and eliminating waste. Sleep activates the brain's self-cleaning function, but the process of navigating through the dense brain tissue is complex. The study revealed how neurons, by firing in harmony, drive the cerebrospinal fluid to sweep through the brain, collecting and removing waste. This symphony of neuronal activity creates a rhythm, a pulsating current that directs the flow of this cleansing fluid. It's like a river, guided by the beat of these neural pulses, flowing through the winding valleys of our brain, gathering waste along its path. Now imagine what happens when this rhythm is off. The river's flow stutters, waste isn't cleared efficiently, and it starts to build up. The study found that disruptions in this rhythmic neural activity, whether due to sleep deprivation or certain health conditions, can hinder the brain's self-cleaning process. This is more than just an interesting biological phenomenon, it's a key to understanding brain health and disease. Disruptions in this cleaning process have been linked to neurodegenerative diseases. When this rhythm is disrupted, waste remains trapped, highlighting the importance of these neural waves for brain health. This discovery opens up fascinating questions. As we rethink sleep, we consider, could enhancing this natural cleansing process potentially reduce our need for sleep? And for those plagued by sleep disorders, could improving this system offer a new form of relief? The implications of this study's findings are vast, and they direct us towards uncharted territories in sleep research. Our understanding of sleep is evolving, and with this evolution, researchers are now set to explore the intricacies of sleep waves and how the brain prioritizes its cleaning tasks. The rhythm and amplitude of these waves change throughout sleep cycles, possibly adjusting the cleaning intensity based on the waste type and amount. The future of sleep research beckons us with the promise of new insights and discoveries. Like a meticulous nighttime cleaner, the brain adjusts its methods to ensure a thorough cleanse, safeguarding our cognitive health.